Welcome to our presentation.
Hello everyone! Where are we guys? We are Curug Panganten! Hello guys! We've not arrived at Curug Panganten. Here we will conduct a survey while also assessing whether this place meets the criteria of halal tourism or not.
Right, so we're not just enjoying the scenery, but also observing whether the facilities are friendly for Muslim tourists.
Some aspects we will evaluate include the availability of a prayer room, halal food, cleanliness, and overall comfort.
If we look at the parking area, there is already a parking space available, but it's still quite limited.
That's true, especially when it's crowded. The parking space might not be sufficient and could become disorganized.
From the halal tourism perspective, parking is the main factor, but it still plays an important role in visitor calm and safety.
Okay, now in this area we can see stalls that selling food and drinks there.
Unfortunately, we haven't seen a clear halal label on the food being sold.
This is quite important because in halal tourism, food must be granted halal, not just assumed to be halal.
Okay, now additionally, the cleanliness around the stall is still needs improvement to make it more hygienic.
In the toilet facilities, they are still very limited and not in good condition.
Yes, visitors may even struggle to find a proper toilet to use.
And to halal tourism, cleanliness is very important because it is directly related to purity in worship.
If the toilets are not clean, it can become an obstacle for Muslim visit before performing their prayers.
This is the reality of the prayer room at Curug Panganten.
At first, we might expect a sturdy building, but all we find here is a small bamboo hut with very limited space.
Around here, there are gazebos that visitors can ask to research.
This is quite helpful for visitors to relax after walking a long distance.
In terms of scenery, Curug Panganten has very beautiful natural views.
The waterfall is unique because it is contained of two side-by-side streams like a canal.
The water looks clear and the atmosphere is still very natural, giving a calm and comfortable feeling.
Is definitely a plus point because in halal tourism, a clean and comfortable environment is also important.
After observation all the facilities, do you think Curug Panganten can be categorized as halal tourism?
In my opinion, not yet fully because many facilities still do not meet the standards.
Especially in terms of prayer facilities, the lack of clear halal food assurance.
In addition, the cleanliness of the toilet is still a significant drawback.
So, even though this place is beautiful from a halal tourism perspective, it still needs many improvements.
In conclusion, Curug Penganten has not fully met the criteria of halal tourism, but it has great potential to be developed if the facilities are improved.
Okay, we can conclude that this place does not meet all the criteria for halal tourism. So, in conclusion, this destination we visited is considered as halal friendly.
Thank you for